Hello, Tom. Are you enjoying that mother of all burritos?
Oh boy, am I. It is so messy though.
It is messy?
Yeah, I have got to eat it with a spoon.
Well, I figured that maybe if we're going to go ahead and put a little bit of a food on the go option, we're going to have to deal with the loud noises in the background because of those jets, but we're going to make a good video for everybody to see. I'm going to do a bit of an unboxing of a MOAB burrito from Maverick. You think that's a good idea?
Yeah.
Is it a stupid idea?
I think it's a great idea, but my goodness, mine's already tore apart.
Yeah, you get excited about your burritos because that's massive. Look at how huge it is.
Good gosh.
For $4, you can get MOAB burrito and a drink.
Yeah.
A large drink. We came prepared with our own, so we're going to get those drinks for later to go. However, I have one for myself, and I have not yet unboxed it, and I think it's going to be exceptional, and I look forward to it.
Oh, yes.
So anyways, let's see if I can do this all one-handed. I am actually doing the recording process myself, just in case anybody didn't recognize. I know it's a little bit unprofessional, but I'm not going to claim to be a professional. I'm going to claim to be an average, ordinary, annoying human being.
Make sure you put some of that jalapeno sauce on there.
Well, I think that's going to be a very important aspect of this video. I want people to see what's available for the MOAB burritos at Maverick. Anyways, so we have this as big as my hand. That's going to fill my tummy big time.
Okay.
Oh yeah, not bad for $4. Okay, so let's open this up. If I can. There we go. Okay. Whew. It is not easy with one hand, buddy.
It bites you.
It kind of does. I don't know if anybody caught what he said. He was saying that he thinks that the burrito's fighting me.
There's one other thing. You gotta be smarter than the burrito.
Hey, now don't you try and give me that kind of credit. All right, there we go. Look at that. Look at all those fillings. It's got eggs and bacon and sausage and potatoes. Woo! What a great looking burrito. What do you say we go ahead and get ourselves some toppings to put on it? That sounds like a brilliant idea. I brought me a plate. Oh, out of area. There we go. Sorry about the fuzz. Okay, so we have, looks like mayo, buffalo ranch. Ooh, sounds like a nice one. Creamy jalapeno. Honestly, I haven't seen that anywhere else. And ketchup. No, thank you. Ooh. Apparently there's one hidden over here on the side. Chipotle mayo. Okay. So, the options are a bit dwindled. People have been going crazy this morning because of the deal. But it looks like we have some, I'm thinking this is relish, pickles, lemon, lettuce. Who wants lettuce on their burrito, honestly? What is that? Sauerkraut. Oh, that's sauerkraut. Oh, I don't know what that was. Wonder if it was pico de gallo. And these are tomatoes that Tom is absolutely convinced was worth putting on there. Honestly, I don't see it. Onions. You know what? Forgive me. I don't even know what those particular peppers are called. No idea. They're all empty. Me, I like the idea of putting some onions on mine. give it a little heavy. Very little heavy. Oh no. You know what? I might gross people out, but I like me some sauerkraut. And I'm going to go with, I love the creamy jalapeno idea. That is going to be amazing. Tom, this is huge.
Huh?
It's big as the plate.
I know.
Not bad for $4. Now, I brought myself some tortillas from home so that I can cheat and turn one burrito for $4 into 2 burritos for $4. Now we're talking. You know what I should have brought? If I was intelligent, I'd bring a fork. So, go up to... Oh no. No, 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 no. They don't have any forks, Tom.
Nope, they have.
Yeah, I believe you. Alright. In this case.
Oh man.
Alright. You alright, buddy? You having fun?
Having a great time, bud. Man,
Yeah?
I like to drink the tea with that.
With that dragon drink in it? Yeah, I hate to mention things that we're not going to be showing on camera, but got ourselves an energy drink called Dragon something or other from Winco, and we mixed it with some tea and found out that it is really powerful stuff. It's got 256 milligrams of caffeine per can, so we cut it down to about 1/4 of a can and mix it with tea.
Still pretty powerful.
Still pretty powerful. Keeps us going all day, 'cause that's a lot of caffeine. And we mix in with something we learned off the internet. It's called L-theanine, and it is absolutely wonderful. It helps add a deep focus, unlike my camera shots,
Yeah.
to the drink, the caffeine drink. And it lasts all day, as long as the caffeine lasts, and we feel absolutely amazing.
Yes.
So, anyways, here we go. That was the unboxing of a MOAB, M-O-A-B burrito from Maverick, as you can see. And I hope everybody enjoyed the video, because I know I'm going to enjoy the burrito. You gonna say goodbye, Tom?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.